Hey, this is Tim Greer with the Rinnai Technical Training Team at our Dojo training facility in Peachtree City, Georgia at our headquarters. Now today we're going to talk about tankless diagnostic code 10s, what causes them and how can we resolve them. Now as always, refer to the manual or any other official technical documents for each model. And if you're not qualified to work on these types of products, please contact someone who is. Now, the manual describes a code 10 as an air supply or an exhaust blockage, and it's one of the more common codes we see, and it's usually due to either improper maintenance, improper installation, or operation in a very harsh environment. So what makes a code 10 happen? Now, with all gas appliances, it's critical to maintain a clean burning flame. And Rinnai tankless water heaters modulate, so if the flame is moving from a low to a high fire, it would make sense that the oxygen entering the unit would have to modulate as well. Now the PC board is sending a power signal to the combustion fan, and in turn the combustion fan is sending a frequency signal back to the PC board. So it's like the PC board is saying, this is what I expect your rotation to be, and the combustion fan is saying, well, this is what I'm actually doing. Now, if the combustion fan's frequency is not in an expected range, the unit could stop operation on a code 10. So how do we fix it? Now a code 10 could be virtually anything in the air path, from the combustion intake to the fan itself, to the burner, to the heat exchanger, or heat exchangers if it's a condensing model, and then all the way back out through the exhaust. So what do you check first? Well, on condensing models, it's important to ensure your condensation drain line is flowing properly. In fact, if it's clogged, it could back up into the secondary heat exchanger, causing airflow issues. In fact, you may hear the tankless product gurgling as if it were struggling to breathe. Cold weather can cause condensation drain lines to freeze, especially if it hasn't been installed correctly, thus causing a code 10. Sometimes simply just thawing out a condensation drain line can clear a code 10. Newer Rinnai condensing models also have an air inlet filter that can be easily removed, cleaned, and reinstalled. Now, of course, the vent system may need to be inspected as well, and this will include the intake and the exhaust side of the venting. Now, homes that have been unused for an extended period of time may have blockages in them, such as animal or insect nests. In fact, not only in the vent system, but also in the burner or even in the combustion fan itself. Remember, Rinnai does offer a few accessories to help combat nests in vent systems. Now, if the problem persists, you may need to remove and inspect the burner, the combustion fan, and possibly even the heat exchanger assembly. Check out some of our other videos for these procedures based on each model. And as always, you can contact Rinnai's call center for additional support. Thank you.